Considering all of the counterfeit coins, misrepresented coins, online fraud with coin transactions, who do you buy coins from, or where do you buy coins from? We're going to discuss that in this video, so stay tuned. My name is Daniel and you are watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. I have videos about counterfeits, coin fraud, misrepresented coins, overpriced coins from eBay, Etsy, AliExpress, just a lot of other places that people sell coins like Let Go, and there's just all kinds of apps where people are selling coins that don't know about coins. They've been told incorrect information and they're trying to sell their coins for a lot of money based on that information, or they're just outright fraudulent coin sellers. That doesn't mean every platform has nothing but bad sellers. eBay has good sellers. There's good sellers on Etsy. There's good sellers on Facebook, Let Go. But for the most part, it is very dangerous and treacherous waters to be buying raw coins off of people off most of those websites. The problem is that there are two types of people buying these coins. There are the collectors who are knowledgeable, and then there's the collectors or non-collectors that kind of fall in between because they're looking at impulse buys. They see something they think's rare, they might be able to flip it and make some money, and they fall into the trap of overpaying for something that was misrepresented. There's other levels of buying that's going on, but as far as that's concerned, that's two of them that you see a lot. And I can't help the ones that think that they're going to flip a coin. I can't help the ones that think they're getting this grand deal and they're buying it because it's old, or impulse buy, buying for a friend or whatever, or family member. You have to pause. Don't impulse buy coins. Now, there's a lot of places that you can buy coins, and I'm going to recommend those, and I'm going to talk about them a little bit. But one thing to know is that it is safe to buy coins online. You don't always have to know the counterfeits. You don't always have to know whether a coin is overpriced. You don't always have to know within yourself if it's misrepresented. Because the first order of business is to find an honest seller that already has done that work for you. I know that we talk about how to identify counterfeits and how to identify mint errors and true mint errors and overpriced coins and how to make sure we don't buy this and that. But in reality, we need to talk about how to find a good dealer or dealers or coin sellers. There are some people who actually, what we call maybe a weekend warrior, that are part-time, and they buy coins or they have coins that were left to them and they're just selling them online. Facebook groups is a good place. I actually have an auction group on my Facebook, and we have about 5,000 members. We vet the members and we keep things in control. We have some admins that help me with this, and it's a safe place to buy. And speaking of Facebook groups, there's a lot of help groups on Facebook that you can post dealers and ask about them. You can post coin auctions and ask about them. As long as you're not linking to your own coin auctions, the help groups will allow you to do that. Not only that, I have a help community on my website, and also there's Coin Talk, there's Collectors Universe website, their forum, they have a message board as well. There are several places where you can get to know people and you can actually see the ones who are most helpful. Sometimes they are dealers and they do sell coins, but that will come out whenever they're talking. Oh, I buy coins, or I have my shop, this comes in. And when you can kind of develop, in your own opinion, someone's personality type by how they respond to others and how helpful they are. And when you find a dealer that's helping online like that, then you need to buy from that dealer. It's very important, because that's how I do. Whenever I pick admins or I pick dealers I want to do deals with, I'm looking for that kind of person. I want personality. It's very important in this business. Not everybody has to have a brick and mortar, but I do recommend that. And I recommend buying from one, and I'll show you a few sites to look for. But one thing about it is that don't impulse coin buy. I mean, that's not the worst thing that you could possibly do. Always shop around and look around, because the hobby's got the checks and balances. We just have to have the knowledge to keep it in checks and balances. So now we're going to talk about a few of the sites and a few of the places and ways to find dealers so that you can properly buy your coins, safely buy your coins online. We're always talking about what not to buy and where not to buy, as I mentioned before, who not to buy from and what coins not to buy. I'm going to tell you that there are a lot of really good groups that are ran by some honest admins on Facebook. And I sell on Facebook. I also sell off our website. One of the things about Facebook is connecting with dealers, honest dealers. You actually have what they call RAT, and it's roundtable trading. And this is basically kind of a watch group type thing where you can become an actual verified member. There's a couple of these on there. One of them is Hat Creek coin auction site. That's another one. But you can see a lot of it. They'll have RAD next to their name with a number. And it helps kind of verify somebody who's been selling. But, if you get on these groups and you make friends, you can actually get a lot of coins and you can, for good deals, and you can actually connect with the dealers who have websites or coin dealerships in your area, or even online that you can go to their websites. When you buy something off of eBay or another website, it's very good idea whenever they send the card to you to actually go to their website and see their other deals. Because a lot of times they can sell coins cheaper off their websites. And if you're dealing with a dealer, you don't have to worry about the counterfeits. You don't have to worry about misrepresented coins, and you can often get a better deal. If you buy off the big companies, they're going to charge you more. I mean, companies like Littleton and .gov Mint, they're just going to be high retail prices. I go to coin shows, and there can be anywhere from 25 to 45 dealers, sometimes 100 and some dealers. And every one of those dealers are from this area, at least most of them are, and they all sell coins. So you can find somebody that you can actually look at the coins, buy the coins. If they don't have a coin shop, you can actually meet them at a coin show, or you can meet them at a location like a bank. They would bring some coins and let you look through them. So you can come over here to collectors.com, and you can type in whatever coin you're looking for. It's got coins right here. You can actually look for any type of collectible, but this is a list of coins that actually are pulled from the web, off of websites, off of eBay, and off of other sell sites from legitimate sellers. You can look through and you can make connections with them. You can call them up on the phone and talk to them. So you can find dealers that you can trust when you do it that way. Another place to go to buy coins is Great Collections. Great Collections has all kinds of coins, and these are put up by dealers or people who just like to sell coins that have some inventory. And the main thing is connecting with dealers, getting to know them. They're people. They're people just like you. I know a lot of people think that they're ripoffs and some of them are horrible and all that, but you're not meeting the right dealers. That's the problem in this business, or any business for that matter. I can walk into 10 different shops in my town and I could probably find someone who's a jerk in a couple of them that I didn't like and I don't want to do business with. That's in every single business. Should never umbrella dealerships. Go around, and if it's not the brick and mortar coin shop, then get online and find somebody that you can shop online with. You can call up on the phone and talk to. They're not going to sell you counterfeits. They're not going to sell you fake gold coins. They're not going to sell you misrepresented errors, and they're mostly going to sell you graded coins, and they're going to be knowledgeable, and they're going to sell you coins represented the way they are. So there's no reason to be in fear, and there's really no reason that you have to buy off eBay or Etsy or any of the social media sites. I mean, in reality, you want to get to the point where you can actually get on someone's website or get into a group where that you are with like members and actually buy from them safely, and people that you actually know. Because, I mean, there's just too much fraud going on, and I think that educating yourself on how to find a dealer, where to find a dealer, where to find the best deals is actually just as important in learning how to identify counterfeits. One of the things is that when you find some trusted dealers and a nice group on Facebook, or even just a website that you can buy from, someone you can call up and talk to on the phone, that creates confidence and builds the hobby. Instead of just trying to impulse buy some special deal and you think you're going to flip it on Etsy or you're going to flip it on eBay. I mean, altered images, all these promises and stuff written on holders, you just have to ignore that. And I'll tell you right now, collectors.com, if you are a coin collector, you can actually hook up with dealers all around the world and buy coins. I mean, there's just no excuse in buying off some of these sites that just have too much fraud. I'm just not going to support sites that have fraud as much as I can. I'm going to try my best not to. I know it's kind of hard as a dealer. You have to kind of expand yourself and sell on different platforms. But, I'm not going to stick myself to one place whenever they allow certain activities on their sites that I don't condone. So anyways, thanks for watching my latest video. Hopefully this helps you understand a little bit more about finding a dealer, where to buy coins safely. And Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.